Hey guys, today's lesson is the half double crochet stitch. So what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into our single crochet from our last row, pull up a loop, and then pull through all 3 loops that are on your hook. All right, let's do it again. Yarn over, go through the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's it. That's the half double crochet. So yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through all 3 loops. And you'll notice this is mildly taller than your single crochet row that you just did. And then when we learn the double crochet stitch, it'll be slightly taller than this one. And this is basically how all these basic stitches work. And we're just going to do that all the way down our single crochet row until we get to the end here where we're still yarn overing, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. There you go. Your first row of half double crochets. Thanks for watching.